Now we go for stretching one leg at a time in Janusirasasana. You can simply bend your right knee. Bring the heel as close to your perineum as you can. Use your arms to pull the leg in and take your knee out to the side. Now use your right hand to press the knee downwards and turn the trunk of your body facing the left leg. Once you're facing the front, keeping the right leg fixed, you raise your arms up by the sides. Inhale. And as you exhale from your hip, try to bend forwards as much as it is possible for you. Eventually, taking the forehead and touching it with your knee if you can. Janusirasasana. You can hold the position, breathe normally. This position can be held up to 2 to 5 minutes. Coming out of it is simple. You just raise your arms in front and inhale, reach back up, and exhaling, lower your arms by the sides. Use your hand to support the right knee and bring it in and take the leg in front. Make sure both your legs are relaxed before you do the same with the other side. So you can bend your right knee, left knee, and pull the heel again close to your perineum. Make sure you are taking the left knee out. Your body might turn a bit to the side, and then you can press the knee down with your hand, turn back to the front the same way. Raise your arms up by the sides, take a deep inhalation, and as you exhale, the abdomen goes in and you bend forwards. Both your shoulders should be in the same line, the left and the right. Relax your neck, touch your forehead with the knee, and try to rest in the position. One should not pull themselves too much in case the legs are a bit stiff. Coming out again, stretching your arms in front, inhaling, return back up, take your arms down, support the left knee, bring the left knee in, take the leg in front, and relax yourself again.